Hello everyone. Today, let's talk about the driver and installation of Ezcad2. The first step is to install the driver. Right-click on Device Manager. Refresh. And you will see a USB RMCB device. This is our control card. Click on Update Driver. Browse My Computer. Find the driver file that we backed up in the D drive. You will see there are Win732-bit and Win764-bit options. We need to check our computer's properties. The computer properties show Win732-bit, so we will choose 32-bit. OK, next. Select Install. Continue until you see the driver has been successfully updated. Now the installation is complete. And you will see a V4 USB icon. This is our control card. Place the software icon on the desktop. Open the chassis. Find the software icon and send it to the desktop. Open the software. We still need to do one more step, which is to set up the F3 interface. We have a factory parameters diagram in the D drive. Inside it are screenshots of the factory Modify parameters. The working range based on the screenshots. The first one is modify the working range accordingly. The second one is laser control. Modify the settings for laser Adjust control. The corresponding port settings. The fourth one is for the red light. Modify it according to the screenshots. Now you can use the software.